In this video, we will discuss step by step how to create your own copy. So, for your copywriting, what we recommend you do is that you open up a notepad file. Notepad is a completely free software. You could also use something called Text Edit if you're on a Mac computer, and it looks very similar, operates the same. So within Notepad, the reason you want to create your sales copy in there, so you want to follow the video that we gave you on good sales copy principles. And the reason we recommend that you use something like Notepad here is because it's going to make it so that formatting is not an issue. So you don't want to run into formatting issues when you're copying and pasting your content into the free editor on JVZoo. So you want to create your content very clean and simple. You can start off with your headline, start with all the principles, and you can just type it on in to this document here within Notepad file. So one thing that you want to make sure is checked on Notepad, just so it flows better for you, is up here at the top, click on Format and Word Wrap and make sure that is checked. So Format and Word Wrap as you're writing your content. So again, just go through here, write your good sales copy in here. It's very simple to write in here. The one thing that might be difficult for you as you use this tool is that you can't really see where the line breaks are going to be, but we're going to cover that in the next video when we actually show you how to go about putting in your sales copy into your JVZoo offer. So for now, work on creating your copy in Notepad. You can just open up your Notepad file. You could also, if you feel more comfortable, write your sales copy in Microsoft Word or Google Documents or in OpenOffice Writer. Any one of those solutions that you have access to, you could write it in there. You could format it as you want to format it, and then what you could do after that is just simply upload it or just copy and paste it from there into Notepad before we're going to move it into the JVZoo backend area. So that's also a strategy for you to consider. So this is step by step how to go through the copywriting process. And again, it's just about opening Notepad file, which comes pre-installed on your PC computer. If you do not have a PC, you could use it on a Mac. It's called Text Edit, and it's just a matter of putting in your copy using good format. You have your good headlines, your good subheadlines. Make sure your paragraphs are short. Make sure you are utilizing the bullet points to really draw attention to your offer. You can go through here, kind of clean things up a little bit, and most importantly though, once you get it onto your other software, that's where you're going to really do some more checking on your sales copy. So if you want to do like using a tool or a platform where you can actually go in and you can do spelling and grammar check, you could actually go and copy and paste this into a Word document, and then you could do a spelling and grammar check and then copy and paste this out of that Word document back in here after you've tested your grammar and all that to make sure it flows. So this is how you do your copy. Use Notepad, go through the process, and once your Notepad file is ready to go with all your sales copy, clear on down to your close and your PS area, and then it's time for you to go ahead and get this onto your JVZoo website.